Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs of the Xiaomi Vacuum E10 with the S10, so let's start. Now when we are going to look here first on the suction power, they are both the same. Now the Xiaomi for the S10 got better navigation. The design is better primarily for the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10 because it's got like slim design. Dustbin capacity is better for the Xiaomi E10 because you're going to have 400 milliliters comparing to 300. Then the water capacity is better for S10. Now they got both same mount function, both also control method, both noise level. And now comes the thing. Okay, so the Xiaomi Robot S10 got better battery capacity, battery life, and also probably even the cleaning area per charge because it got like more battery. So battery like really depends. I couldn't get to that information. Now when we're gonna go further, you're gonna have dust collection. No on both. Then you're gonna have the zone cleaning, HEPA filtration on both. Then you can have the voice control on both. App features custom cleaning plans, but here is going to come like really important thing is that when I compare the E10 features with the features of the S10, when you're gonna look here, with the S10 you can have more features. You can have like zone separation, map multiple floors, zone cleaning, virtual no-go area, zone selection, rename rooms. But here you can have like intelligent remote control, real-time monitoring, adjust cleaning levels, scheduled cleaning. You're gonna have some things, but just be aware if you would decide for the E10, you're actually not getting what you're getting with the S10 regards the features. Features wise, it's much more. So in this regard, I would probably choose with the S10, but even look for the X10 if you want to. And look on directly for the reviews for the S10 if it's actually good or no. I just wanted to make this quick video for you. I hope it's going to be beneficial. Thank you very much for watching, and let me down in the comments which one you like more. So when you're going to look here, the navigation, then the battery tank capacity, then the battery life also is better for the S10 and more features. Have a great day and goodbye.